Welcome back to our Planet Coaster 2 series where we are building a theme park with a 100 inverting roller coaster. In this episode we're going to be breaking the world record for most inversions on a roller coaster with 15 inversions. And here we go, we're going to dive straight into building our 15th inversion, and we're going to build another barrel roll here that is going to go through the loop. Very reminiscent of the kind of 4 rolls at the end of Colossus at Fort Park. So just going to tweak the outer bank roll ever so slightly and let's link them back up. But yeah, like I said in the introduction, this is going to be our 15th inversion, and yeah, that'll be more inversions than any other roller coaster in real life. So the current record holder is the Smiler at Alton Towers. Just moving that out, and we'll jump on that for a quick ride just to see how that works. So yeah, here's the outer bank. Just makes it, and that actually inverts the wrong way around. Let's re-edit that and just make sure that kind of flows a little bit nicer. So yeah, let's give that another go. Tweaking the end there of the outer banked inversion just to give it a little bit more snap at the end. Bring it around to the right hand side. Give that a quick smooth out. Right, let's see how that runs. Inversion's looking good, and oh, that is slow up there, isn't it? I've done the inversion the wrong way around again. I don't know how I've managed to mess that up 2 times in a row. Let's edit that and fix it. Make sure it works properly. Right, so it needs to go around the other way. There we go. And then we'll just connect that back up, and then that should work absolutely fine. As we've seen, it's got enough speed to get up there, just about. In the next episode, I think I mentioned this in the previous episodes, so now we're at 15 inversions. On the next episode we're going to include 5 new inversions per episode. So actually the inversion you've just seen me fixing there, I think will be the first one to go, and we'll look to add our 5 extra inversions in that section of the roller coaster. But yeah, there we go, that's much better now. It turns in the right way. Just confirmation, if we scroll down here you can now see the number of inversions is up to 15, and we'll take you on for a POV. Enjoy. There we have it. That is our 15 inverting roller coaster. I hope you enjoyed the on-ride POV. Let us know what you thought of that in the comments below. Would you ride that 15 inverting roller coaster? I'd definitely give it a go. Here is me doing some work at the front entrance of the park, and as you may have just seen, we have started to build an entrance to our theme park. which we still don't actually have a name for. If you have any suggestions, feel free to pop those down in the comments below as well. Yeah, so the entrance itself is going to continue to follow that steampunk kind of industrial vibe to it. I think it's looking okay at the moment. Here is me fiddling around with the new kind of interactive pieces that obviously allow you to be able to spin and move parts. I've never used these before. You should all be very thankful that I've sped this footage up, because my days did it take me a very long time to figure this out. But I think as you'll come to see once all of the cogs are in place, it looks pretty good. I feel like the entrance probably still needs a little bit more work to it. It probably needs a few more moving parts, but this is probably the first entrance I've ever fully built Planet Coaster, so yeah, I think so far it's looking pretty good. But yeah, let me know what you think. So we'll leave the entrance there for the time being, and I think it's time our theme park made a very, very important milestone, and that would be to add toilets in for our guests. We've got gift shops, we've got a roller coaster, we've got an entrance, food, drink outlets, but yeah, we've never put any toilets in for our guests, so they're going to be very, very happy to see this. I think we should celebrate this moment, and the best way to do that, I believe, is with copious amounts of fireworks. Cue the fireworks. I'm pretty sure that's what the guests have been missing, is fireworks pelting them in the face whilst they're trying to do their business. Yeah, let's look at that from the front entrance. That is a great entrance to the theme park. And just so we know, let's have a little nose at that at night time as well. This whole theme park is a little on the wacky side of things, but I definitely feel like I've outdone myself with the stupidness there of that at the entrance walkway. Yes, I feel like we could do some very fun things with those fireworks. I've built a train that goes all the way around our theme park. It crosses the kind of the large bridge that goes through our roller coaster area as well. It looks very nice. I have kind of plans in the future, so where the bus is there, to build a bit of a car park so that guests can arrive, go on the train, and kind of make their way to our front entrance gate via train. But sadly, literally nobody is going on our train, and I can't figure out why. So I've popped these barriers in. They're trapped in that area, so they literally cannot get to the theme park any other way than to use our train service. So I will force them to use our train. Who doesn't love a train at theme park? Apparently all of those people. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if it's too long of a journey for them. Okay. So this is the walk they would rather do than get on the train and go through the roller coaster to the front entrance park. Right. I don't understand why they would choose to walk all of this way and not just jump on the train. On the plus side, guests are using the train to leave the theme park, so I wonder if it is a distance sort of thing. I don't know if it's kind of, if their computer brains are like, well, this is quicker to do, so they're just going to take the shortest distance to get themselves into the park. But it does look like these two guests are jumping on the train to leave. There we go. So yeah, they're using the train. The train seems to be working fine. But yeah, the 3 trains heading up to the bridge are all completely empty, and I have no clue why. I think in the next episode what I'm going to do is, rather than the trains going around anti-clockwise, I think I'm just going to send them through clockwise. But yeah, look at that entrance. That's looking lovely. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.